Okay, now let's have a look at lesson 2. So remember lesson 1, we had kick on 1 and 3, snare on 2 and 4. Now in lesson 2, our kicks and snares are not going to change. So very important to remember that. What's going to change is our hi-hat. Okay, so in lesson 1, our hi-hat was just going 1, 2, 3, 4. So the kick and snare still be the same. They're still going to have a hi-hat played with them. The only difference is we're going to add a hi-hat in between each one of those counts. So our counting system will change from 1, 2, 3, 4 to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So very important to count all those and to play the hi-hat each time you count it. So remember, if you can say it, you can play it. So if I go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then just add the kick and snare, I'm away. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So hopefully that makes sense. All we're doing is adding one hi-hat on the and in between each kick and snare. So remember, in this exercise on page 16, each time you say and is just the right hand on the hi-hat. Cool. So we're going to try this one at a few different tempos, and you can play along if you like. So I'm going to set the metronome in my module here to start at 60, and then we'll do it again at 80 and 100. So you can hear how it feels different. It sounds a little different even though it's the same beat at different tempos. But again, very important to start slow. So here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.